भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello student, it's been a very long time I guess. I hope you are well and fine at your home. Okay, so last guess we have done we have started the revision of the chapter number 12 in the revision sheet, and we have done with the first four questions. Okay, I checked your notebook, and it was good from your side. Many of you have done very good work, although all the things are in online only, then also you have done very good work, so applause for yourself. Okay, now let's start with our revision of chapter number 12. So last question we have done on that, we have converted the time of a 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, right? Okay, so then after the next question, convert each time from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Okay, why? I guess you have questions that why we need the two time format, means ये दो time formats हमें क्यों चाहिए? Then generally we used only 12-hour clock only, right? 12-hour clock timing only we use, on which we have two it's just like a AM and PM, anti-meridian and post-meridian, right? Then why we need a 24-hour clock also? Okay, do you know where that 24-hour clock timing is used? Okay, it's during the transportation, means transportation के अंदर mainly 24-hour clock timing is only used, right? I guess you have seen at the airport or at the railway stations. Then so railway station में अगर आप देखा हो तो over there is a, उसमें वहाँ पे जो क्लॉक होती है उसमें AM या PM नहीं होता है. Why? Because वो जो क्लॉक होती है it gives us the 24-hour clock timing, right? So ये सारी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जहाँ पर 24-hour clock का टाइमिंग यूज होता है. So that's why that is the basic thing that we should know about that 24-hour clock timing as well, right? I know that you are well in the 12-hour clock timing, आपको उसमें प्रॉपरली सब पता चलता है, बट ये भी एक चीज़ है. Then I guess there is now so many days, it's kind of a small vacation of the week, or 9 or 10 days. Then okay, so let's refresh about the 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock timing. Then okay, I'll give you the small kind of things about that, how you have to change the 12-hour clock timing to 24-hour clock, or likewise that. Okay, now 12-hour, 24-hour. Okay, so first जो after the 12 AM, that means starting कहाँ से होता है? 12-hour clock starting होता है after 12 AM, 12 AM के बाद. So 12 इसमें start होता है 12 AM to 1 AM. I'm just giving you the difference between the time only. to 1 AM. So at that time 24-hour clock में टाइमिंग होता है 00 hour to 1 hour. ये चीज एक आपको याद रखनी है. Right? Most important thing you can say that, right? Why? Because कभी अगर आपको इस तरह से इस ये वाला फॉर्म में दिया था 20 आवर्स, सो दैट इज अगर उसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है देन जनरली जब हम 24 आवर क्लॉक में से 12 आवर क्लॉक में जाते हैं तो हमें 12 आवर माइनस करना होता है. बट ये एक 1 आवर के ड्यूरेशन में आपको उसमें 12 आवर ऐड करना है. अंडरस्टूड? देन दैट मीन्स अगर आपको से फॉर एग्जांपल 24 आवर क्लॉक में अगर ये आपको टाइमिंग दिया है दैट इज 0:20 आवर्स, देन इस तरह का टाइमिंग दिया है, तो आपको अगर वो चेंज करना है इनटू दैट वन, सो आपको तब 12 आवर ऐड करना पड़ा है. दैट इज 12:20 AM. राइट? अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज द स्पेसिफिक केस. So in this one you just have to add them, not to subtract it. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, next duration is from 1 AM to 12 PM. That is like that 1 AM to 12 PM. So this duration, in this duration you just have to do like that only, just 1 hour to 12 hour. Right? Understood? Okay, let's now see the next duration of the time. Okay, so after 12 PM there is a time like third, which is 12 to 1, 12 PM to 1 PM. So at that time this duration would be added like that. Right? So इसमें इतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा बिकॉज इसमें डायरेक्टली ऐड होता है वो 12 आवर टू 13 आवर. Done? Now let's see the next duration, which is from 1 PM to 12 AM. So 11 hour clock time means after the 11 hour it's like that. So in this one it would be like 13 hour to 24 or it's not a 24, generally it's called a 00 hour. Right? So that's how the cycles are there in both of them, 12 hour and 24 hour. So आपको ये 4 टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. Then as you can see in the first one, तो इसमें आपको अगर इसमें पूछा है आपको तो आपको अगर 24 आवर क्लॉक में आपको कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको वो 12 आवर इसमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सेकंड वन में कुछ नहीं करना है, सेकंड वन एज इट इज रखना है. थर्ड वन आप देखो तो उसमें सिर्फ इसमें ऐड करना है, इसमें से इसमें जाना है तो आपको 12 माइनस करना है. आई विल टेल यू हाउ. इफ द टाइमिंग, मैं थर्ड वन की बात कर रहा हूँ, इफ द टाइमिंग ओवर इन दिस वन इट वुड बी लाइक let's say 12:23. then so in this one it would be not change any, इसमें और कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं आएगा. बट मीन्स यहां तक चेंजेस नहीं आएगा आफ्टर 13 आवर. So that it would be like that, the 13:27. देन सो एट दैट टाइम इसमें अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको उसमें चेंजेस लाना पड़ेगा. विद दैट मीन्स इसमें आपको 12 माइनस करना पड़ेगा. 13 में से 12 माइनस करोगे देन इट विल रिमेन एज अ 1. सो इट्स अ 1:27 and that is PM. Right? Understood? So that's how this 4 kind of questions from the 12-hour to 24-hour clocks would be done. Right? 4 type के changes इसमें आ सकते हैं in the 12-hour format and 24-hour format both. Okay, now let's see the 5th question. Convert the time from 24-hour to 12-hour clock. So we have given the time of the 24-hour clock. 5th question. And we have to convert it into 12-hour. Huh? Let's write the 1, 2 and let me write that first, second and fifth one, remaining 2 try to do by yourself obviously. Okay, so the first one is 2014 hours. 24 आवर्स क्लॉक में आपको एक चीज़ याद रखनी है कि यहाँ पर पीछे AM या PM नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पर पीछे आवर्स ही आएगा, कितने भी आवर्स हो दैट वो इसमें देखना नहीं. इसमें AM या PM आएगा डिपेंड अपॉन दैट विच टाइम इट इज डन. सो दैट स्मॉल थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ड्यूरिंग द कन्वर्जन बिटवीन दिस टू. सेकंड वन 13:45 hours. And the last one 11:40:56. This 56 is the second. 11 hours 40 minutes and 56 second. Combinedly we'll write as a hours, right? Okay, now let's write the answer for them. First one 20 and 14 hours. So to convert into the 12-hour format, then अगर 12 से ज़्यादा है तो आपको एक चीज़ याद रखनी है, मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था, तो उसमें आपको 12 माइनस करना पड़ेगा to convert into the 12-hour format. So convert that subtract 12 from the 20. So it would be like answer is a 8, right? So 8, 14, और अगर आप subtract कर रहे हैं then you have to put PM then for particular this case. Next 13:45 hours, same type, subtract 12 from the 13, 1:45 PM, and last one, fifth one 11:40 and 56 hours. So there is no change in this one because in this format you have to remember that after 1 hour to 12 hour there is no change between the 12-hour format or 24-hour format, right? So this time would be as it is 11:40 56 और यहाँ पे हमने कुछ नहीं किया, so that will put the AM. Right? Okay, so that's how you have to do this kind of questions. I'll give you the extra questions practice sheet also in the group. So whoever want to do that, you can kindly do that. It's not mandatory to do it, but if you want to do more practice on that one, so you can do it. Okay, next question number 6, calculate the time duration. So in this one we just have to find the duration of the time, that how much time it will take, time taken. Then Okay, now where this thing is needed, this is also हमने जो लास्ट मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया फॉर द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, तो उसमें भी हो सकता है. देन इसमें भी इसका यूज आता है. से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर गोइंग समवेयर एल्स, सो यू take the train on that time and you reach on that time. Done. Say for example आप you take the train at 13 hours and you will reach at that station at 17 hours. Done. Then how much time duration it will take to cover that distance, right? So in this kind of scenario that thing are also used. Done. And as when you come to the school, so आपको स्कूल पहुंचने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो इसमें भी ये टाइम ड्यूरेशन यूज हो सकता है, राइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. कैलकुलेट द टाइम ड्यूरेशन. ओके, स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट वन ओनली. Question number 7. First one. Okay, over here the start time is given 2 a.m. End time is also given 6 a.m. Okay, I'll tell you in this one. We have already done this kind of question, but as for this is the revision and you have taken a small kind of vacation, so इसमें आपको पहले questions देखने हैं. Say for example in this one the start time is 2 a.m. and the end time is 6 a.m. right? So ये जो टाइम है वो दोनों सेम टाइप में होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स AM है तो यहाँ पे भी AM ही होना चाहिए. अगर यहाँ पर AM नहीं है then you have to convert both of the time in the 24-hour clock compulsory. Understood? अगर आप ये दोनों AM में नहीं है या फिर अगर यहाँ पर PM है तो यहाँ पे भी PM होना चाहिए, राइट? सो अगर इस तरह का नहीं है, एक AM में या और दूसरा PM में है, सो यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट बोथ ऑफ द टाइम इनटू 24-hour क्लॉक, राइट? इसमें हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज डायरेक्टली द टाइम इज इन द both same format which is AM and AM. Okay, now let's do that. So usually how can we find it? By the subtracting starting time from the end time. So it's 6 a.m. minus 2 a.m. That's why the answer 0 0 6 minus 2 4. So our answer will got in the right. So that's how you have to do that. Okay, now let's take one kind of tricky question for this one. Okay, sorry, I guess this is the sixth question. Let's forget about the question. Okay, next. Second one is same it. Then both timing are given in the same format, which is PM, 1 PM and 8 PM. Third one is also same. Fourth one is also same. Fifth one also same. Sixth one, last one करते हैं. And after that I'll give you one more extra जो इसमें नहीं दिया है. Means दोनों अलग अलग फॉर्मेट वाला टाइम. Sixth one. So that means remaining you have to do it by yourself. Okay. The starting time is 8 a.m. Ending time is noon. Okay, now so for this particular you need to know that what is called the noon. Done. So we know it that let's first convert them. Noon, that means 12 PM, right? Okay, now I guess we have here both times are in the different scale, different format, AM and PM. So as I said earlier also, we have to convert them into the 24-hour clock. So 8 a.m. so that is directly same only, which is 8 hour, and 12 p.m. that is also directly same only. इसमें changes नहीं आया because the time is still till the 12 only, then so इसलिए इसमें कुछ changes नहीं आया. 12 hours. Okay, now let's subtract 8 hours from the 12 hour. Eight hours minus, 12 hours minus 8 hours. 0, 0, 2 minus 8 need not be done. It's 0 over here, that 2 converted into 12, right? Because 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, now 12 minus 8 will remain with the 4. So answer for this one is also like a 4 hours, right? Okay, so that's how you have to find the time duration. Okay, let me give you some kind of one more extra question. Okay, now let's say we have questions like this one is the extra question for the time duration, huh? It's not in the worksheet. Okay, so let's say 9:00 a.m. to, this is the starting time, 9:00 a.m. And the ending time, let's say it's 5:00 p.m. Okay, now as per that, as I said to you that कि अगर दोनों टाइमिंग अलग अलग फॉर्मेट में दिए तो हमें दोनों को किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, द 24-hour clock, right? Okay, now let's convert it. So that 9 a.m. would be as it is, so 9 hours, and this 5 p.m. then p.m. होता है, that means it's after the noon, so we have to add 12 in the hour, so 12 plus 5, 17 hours, right? Okay, so that's how you have to convert it first, then after you can find the difference between that. Now let's write. So that means we have to subtract 9 hours from the 17 hours. Zero, 0. 7 minus 9 cannot be done. This 1 cutted and become 0. The 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 9 directly. So we'll got the 8, right? Okay, so the total answer of this one, that means time duration, is 8 hours, right? Okay, so that's how you have to do this kind of questions. Okay, so on today we have done with the 2 questions. First one is the 6th question, question number 5th, which is conversion between the 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, and then after time duration, this one. Okay, so the extra question I will send it on the WhatsApp group if it is possible to you. Done. It is not mandatory to do it to you, but you can do it by if you want more practice on this kind of questions. Okay, so for the homework, for the today's homework, you have to complete question number 5th and 6th, which is this, convert each time from 24-hour to 12-hour clock, and next question, which is calculate the time duration. Done. So this is only your today's homework. After that we are just remain with the word problems that we'll see in the next lecture. Okay, bye bye everyone, have a nice day.